Hi guys, I'm going to multiply radicals and I'm going to use the FOIL method and differences of squares formula. So let's see what we can do and which one you like better. So the FOIL method, FOIL stands for first term, outside terms, inside terms, and last terms. So let's multiply the first terms first. So 5 times 5, 25. I'm gonna write it down so you can follow better. This is 5 times 5, 25. Those are the first terms. So I'm gonna write 25. Then we have the outside terms, which is 5 times negative square root of 2. So I'm gonna write 5 times negative square root of 2, and that equals negative 5 square root of 2. So I'm gonna write negative 5 square root of 2. Then we have inside terms, which is gonna be square root of 2 times 5. So again, square root of 2 times 5. It's the same, but we're gonna move 5 in front of the square root of 2, which is 5 square root of 2. So it's positive plus 5 square root of 2. And then the last term is gonna be square root of 2 times negative square root of 2. So we have square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, which is gonna be negative square root of 2 times square root of 2 is gonna be negative square root of 4, which is negative 2, okay? Now, keep in mind, this is not square root of negative 4. This is negative square root of 4, okay? So it's negative 2. Okay, so let's see if there is anything we can combine. And we have 25 minus 2 is 23. And we have negative 5 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2. So those two equal to 0. And I'm gonna end up with just 23. So this was a FOIL method. I'm gonna do exactly the same problem, but using differences of square formula. And as you can see, we have the differences of square formula. It's a plus b times a minus b. That equals a square minus b square. So we have it set up as this would be a. And this term is, let me change color. I like to work with colors. So this term 5 is going to represent letter A. The second term is gonna be B. And over here also A, B. And notice that we have it in this form, A plus B, A minus B. When this happens, you can use this formula. So what does it equal to? Now, the formula says we take A square. So in this case, we're gonna write 5 square minus, and now we're going to write b square. So the b is square root of 2. If you look at this term, you will see negative square root of 2, but we're gonna take only this term, square root of 2. So square root of 2 squared, okay? Which equals 5 times 5, or 5 square, 25, minus, and when you're squaring square root, so square root and square, it cancels out. So we're going to have just 2. In other words, square root of 2 times square root of 2 equals square root of 4, which equals 2, okay? And that equals 23. So we got the same answer, okay? So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.